What is going on, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about a Nervos network. So I'm going to be talking about what it is, the price analysis, tokenomics, key components, pros and cons, and others, including a price prediction. Let's get started. What is Nervos network? Nervos network is a decentralized open source blockchain platform that provides a secure and scalable infrastructure for building decentralized applications or dApps and blockchain-based solutions. The network comes with a unique two-layer architecture designed to overcome some of the scalability and interoperability challenges faced by other blockchain platforms. The first layer, the common knowledge base or CKB, is a secure and scalable base for storing and verifying transaction data. The second layer, layer 2 or L2, is where developers can build dApps and also build other blockchain-based solutions using a variety of programming languages. It was founded in 2018 by a team of developers and entrepreneurs, including Terry Tay, Kevin Wang, and also Daniel. Now let's talk about the tokenomics. The native token of Nervos network is called CKB, which stands for Common Knowledge Base. CKB is the primary means of value transfer and incentivize the network participants to secure and maintain the network. The maximum supply of CKB tokens is capped at 33.6 billion. The Nervos network team has designed a deflationary token economics model to ensure that the value of CKB tokens increases over time. CKB tokens are used to pay transaction fees on the network, and they can also be staked to participate in the consensus mechanism and earn rewards. In addition, developers can use the CKB tokens to pay for storage and other services on the network. So how does Nervos network work? Well, the Nervos network's approach to blockchain design centers on using multiple layers to fulfill different functions. The fundamental layer prioritizes security and decentralization and is optimized to validate transactions. It is capable of settling transactions from higher layers and can also mediate in case of any disputes, adding an extra layer of security by serving as a trustworthy anchor for the upper layers. This way, layer 2 and higher layers can take advantage of this foundation and better accommodate high-performance applications that require greater throughput. Now let's talk about the components of Nervos network. As mentioned, Nervos network is a multi-layered blockchain architecture that comprises several key components, including common knowledge base or CKB. The CKB is the foundation layer of the network and is responsible for validating and storing transaction data. It uses a unique cell model to represent and manage UTXOs, allowing greater flexibility and efficiency in handling transaction data. And then there is layer 2 or L2. The layer 2 is built on top of the CKB and is designed to support various smart contract languages, enabling developers to create decentralized applications or dApps and other blockchain-based solutions. The L2 is highly customizable and can be tailored to suit different use cases. And then there is the Nervos DAO. So the Nervos DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization that manages the governance and development of the Nervos network. It is responsible for proposing and implementing upgrades to the network, managing the network's treasury, and also ensuring its continued growth and sustainability. And then there is Polyjuice. So Polyjuice is a layer 2 solution that provides an Ethereum virtual machine or EVM compatible environment on the Nervos network. It enables developers to port their existing Ethereum based dApps onto the Nervos network without needing to rewrite their smart contracts. So let's talk about the use cases of Nervos network. Nervos network is a versatile blockchain platform that can be used for various use cases such as DeFi, gaming, supply chain management, identity management, social media, and NFTs. The network's high throughput and scalability, coupled with layer 2 solutions such as Mercury and Polyjuice, enable developers to create scalable and secure applications on the network. Nervos network can also improve transparency and traceability in supply chain operations, provide secure and decentralized identity management solutions, and create decentralized social media platforms resistant to censorship. The network can create and trade NFTs, leveraging its layer 2 solutions to ensure scalability and support large numbers of transactions. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. So Nervos network has several advantages and disadvantages. So first of all, let's talk about the pros. First of all, we have scalability. So Nervos network's multi-layer architecture is designed to provide high scalability, allowing it to support a large number of transactions per second. And then we have security. So Nervos network uses a proof of work consensus mechanism, which is highly secure and has also been proven effective in protecting against attacks. Then we have flexibility. So the layer 2 solutions on Nervos network are highly customizable and can be tailored to suit different different use cases, enabling developers to build a wide range of dApps and also blockchain-based solutions. And then we have interoperability. So Nervos network is designed to be interoperable with other blockchain networks, making building solutions that interact with other blockchains and decentralized finance protocols easier. And then we have decentralization. So Nervos network is highly decentralized with a large number of nodes and validators spread across the world. This helps to ensure that the network remains resilient and also resistant to attacks. Now, let's talk about the cons. So first of all, we have complexity. Nervos network's multi-layer architecture can be complex and difficult to understand for newcomers to the blockchain space. Then we have adoption. So Nervos network is a relatively new blockchain network and has yet to gain widespread adoption and usage compared to more established networks like Ethereum and of course Bitcoin. Then we have proof of work. So while the proof of work consensus mechanism used by Nervos network is highly scalable, it is also energy intensive and may not be environmentally sustainable in the long term. And a lot of people will probably criticize that point. So let's talk about the updates. As 2023 unfolds, the network aims to speed up the development and release cycles of testnet and mainnet upgrades, and also build stronger cross-chain bridges and develop new features, refine user and partner experience, expand its network of partners, and increase exposure to the community of technical users, non-technical users, and creators. So next, let's go over the price analysis and a prediction. Currently, it's ranked at 162 when we're taking a look at the ranking of the market cap, and we can see that, it has a market cap currently of 191 million currently right now. And, it's trading at actually below 1 cent. It's at 0.004. It has this current circulating supply of 40 billion CKB currently. Now, if we take a look at the all-time high, we can see that it touched around 4 cents. Actually, and this was in April of 2021. And, the price action hasn't been that good, obviously, since then. It's been down quite a lot. But it's currently still ranked at 162, and it seems to be kind of gaining traction. Let's take a look at the price prediction and compare it to, for example, that of Optimism at a $689 million valuation. 1 CKB would be at the potential price of around 2 cents or an upside of 334%. Now, let's move along a little bit further. If it was that of, for example, Aave at 1.1 billion, that would put the potential price at around 3 cents or an upside of 567%. So, if it were to go up to that point again, it would be up around 500%. So let's move even further. If it was that of, for example, DAI at a $5.1 billion evaluation, that would put the potential price to 15 cents or an upside of 31x. Moving even further, if it was that of, for example, BNB, that would put the potential price to 307x, and that would be at the evaluation of 48.9 billion. And again, the potential price would be $1.47. If it was that of, for example, Bitcoins at 541 billion, then that would put the potential price of 1 CKB at $16.25. And that would be an upside of 3,411x. And it's interesting to see where the price could go, especially with this deflationary system. So anyways, guys, if you liked the video, do me a favor by minting me a subscription down below. Anyways, guys, see you in the next one.